Knee pain is a common complaint among adults and most often associated with general wear and tear from daily activities like walking, bending, standing and lifting. Athletes who run or play sports that involve jumping or quick pivoting are also more likely to experience knee pain and problems. But whether an individual's knee pain is caused by aging or injury, it can be a nuisance and even debilitating in some circumstances. Normally 80% knee pain found in people above 55 years, their cartilage start rupturing and synovial fluid also decreases. Then a cracking sound is coming when you are bending or doing some activities. Research showed that ladies have 2 to 8% more knee pain than men because female hormone estrogen, which protect the joint from inflammation and damages, decreases after 45 years. In pregnancy also ladies complaining of knee pain as well other body joints pain due to consumption of calcium and other vitamins for baby's food. What are the symptoms of knee pain? The location and severity of knee pain may vary, depending on the cause of the problem. Signs and symptoms that sometimes accompany knee pain include redness and warmth to the touch, popping or crunching noises, inability to fully straighten the knee. What are the causes of knee pain? The most common causes of knee pain are related to aging, injury or repeated stress on the knee. As your age increases, the risk of knee pain increases. Injury mostly happens to athletes and sportsmen, while repeated stress on the knee due to overweight or your work. There are some other medical conditions which cause knee pain. Cartilage injuries and disorders. Calcium, vitamin D and E deficiency can cause also knee pain. What is the treatment of knee pain? There are two types of knee pain treatment. Number 1 for youngsters. Number 2 for old people above 55 years. But knee pain in youngsters mostly due to acute injury. Youngsters got injuries while playing. So for young people the treatment formula is rice. Rice, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. This can work for acute pain, but treatment is different for chronic pain. For chronic pain, rest may weaken muscles that need strengthening to reduce or eliminate the pain. Along with rice, rest, ice, compression, and elevation formula, you can use painkiller tablets and creams, like Brufen tablet and cream, Voltaren tablet and cream, Arcoxia tablet, Celebrex and Panadol tablets. People above 55 years of age have knee pain mostly due to osteoarthritis. I am always telling to my patients that lifestyle modification affects directly or indirectly your disease. First thing in lifestyle modification is rest. Even pray by sitting position. With rest your synovial fluids increases and the friction between cartilage and meniscus decreases and your knee pain, stiffness and inflammation reduces as well. Second thing, to reduce your weight so the pressure on your knee will decrease. Other than lifestyle modification, I will recommend you some medications which are easily available in the market. Number 1, painkiller cream and tablets. The main over-the-counter drugs are acetaminophen, Tylenol and other brands, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, including aspirin, such as Bayer, ibuprofen 400 mg or 600 mg tablets, Advil, Motrin, and naproxen 500 mg tablets, Aleve. Celebrex 200 mg tablets, Arcoxia 60 mg tablets. Same pain-killer creams, Bastum gel, Move cream, Reprol gel and Voltaren gel you can use 2 to 3 times daily. Number 2 is Fleximin tablet. Flex-A-Min tablets can help mature adults desiring maximum joint and cartilage maintenance, weekend athletes and individuals seeking joint health, overweight individuals looking for supplemental support for overstressed joints and cartilage, and anyone desiring extra nutritional support for joint comfort. Fleximin 1 tablet daily after food reduces the swelling, inflammation, pain and increasing the synovial fluid as well in your knee. Third is omega-3, fish oil, increases the synovial fluids which called grease of the knee. Reduces the cholesterol, weight and make vitamin A and D. Take 1 tablet daily after food. Fourth, calcium and vitamin tablet, which is very important for old and pregnant ladies. Take 1 tablet daily after food. Hope you liked the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.